Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from POCO F5 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Now tap on Send at the bottom left corner of POCO and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, come on. So it doesn't work right now, but usually on an Android, you need to tap on the best option for your ads before continuing. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then click on Close this window. When you're ready, click on all of those categories located at the top. Now you can select your files from your category and tap on Send next to Selected to send them. I will go with this one photo. Oh, as you can see, it finally appeared. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then close this window, pick your files from POCO, and when you finished, click on Got It in the pop-up. Now decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then tap on while using or only this time to allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key in Input key section and connect thanks to Receive button. So when I click, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!